Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another dumpster diving haul. This is the first haul I'm filming in my new house. If you haven't seen that, check out my last video. I didn't expect for it to be so popular. Usually my videos that aren't necessarily dumpster diving related get fewer views, but this one really I got a lot of support, so I really appreciate that. Everybody was so kind. It really made me feel good. So thank you guys again. I tried to respond to every comment. I really appreciate it. I have not moved in yet. I'm not planning on moving in for a little while, honestly, maybe a month or so, because I want to get everything done before I officially move in. I haven't started anything yet. I have taken some things out and thrown them away, but there's just a lot to do, and it's a little bit overwhelming, but I am going to get started eventually and then move in. And of course, I will show you guys and I'll try to update you along the way. But for right now, we have a little dumpster dive haul, which is fun. It's very hot in here because I unplugged the air conditioners. I tried to unplug just about everything except for the stove and the fridge. Because like I said, I'm not staying here at the moment, so I don't want to have to pay for things I'm not really using. With electricity wise, that is. So I'm just kind of sweating it out. And we will make do. So for right now, let's get right into the haul. But first, I want to show you this. This I did buy. I didn't find it, unfortunately. I did purchase it from Kirkland's. It's an ottoman. Technically, it's for outside, but I'm going to use it inside once I get everything situated. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going to go for. Just to give you guys a sneak peek. All right into the haul here. I have this big wicker basket. It's a little bit dusty and cobwebby. Oh man, I better I better go take that outside and clean that. Those are like spider sacks. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to take that outside. However, for right now, it is a wicker basket. It is lined, probably to be used for trash, but I'm going to use it as a plant holder. Just put a big bucket in there and it'll be good to go. So that's fun. That came from the thrift store. In here, I'm just using one of the trick-or-treat bags I found last time because this is sticky and I'm not going to take it out. It's honey, pure honey, if you can see that, and it is, coagulated how honey does. Its expiration date isn't until January of 2023. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. There were, I want to say 4 in the box that were shattered, which is why everything is so sticky. But these 8 are brand new, sealed, non-broken, perfect. So I will probably keep some of those, maybe not all of them. I don't go through honey that quickly, but I do like that. So that's a good find. These are fun, and actually there were more in the dumpster, but when I went back to get them, unfortunately the trash had already come. But I did save quite a few. They're called mini boos, and they're like little, I don't know if you guys know these, but they're called beanie boos. They're almost like Beanie Babies with big eyes, and all the kids love them. So these are great for kids. I was thinking Halloween, actually. How fun is that? I have 4 of the purple ones. I don't really know the difference. 7 of the orange ones, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of the pink ones. So those are cute. Those will be fun to give away. They're like mysteries. You don't know which one you're going to get. And then from the same store, I have 4 singles Hawaiian punches. Best by date is 2022, so those are fine. I will keep those here. I do have a case of water in the fridge that I have found, so I will use those when I get thirsty, I suppose. And then right here I have 2 things of dish soap. Just the, general store brand, but those will be just fine. All right here is the fun stuff. Somebody messaged me on YouTube. Her name is Dumpster Queen. Go check out her channel. She just started it in January, and she's growing really, really fast. And turns out that we are pretty local to each other. Not in the same city, but pretty close. And she messaged me, and she said she had a bunch of Easter stuff that she wanted to give me to save till next year when I do the Easter baskets. So I haven't opened them yet. But big shout out to her. Like I said, go check out her channel, Dumpster Queen. I haven't opened them, so we're going to check them out together. I think there's some pre-made bags in here. but I'm not sure what else. So let's see. Right off the top, we have some 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of just these little Easter bunny heads. I wouldn't decorate with these, but I could put them as decoration in the back of the basket just for some fun. Came in a little box. All right. Oh yeah, look, little tiny pre-made Easter baskets. So it has candy, fruit snacks, and a hair tie. Really small little basket here. But the basket itself is great because I did not find any of those. Sorry for this bad filming. So it looks like a whole bunch of those, plus these little wind-up toys. This one's a rabbit, and then there's a bunch of little chicks as well. I'm not going to take them all out of the bag. Oh, there is more. Or is that in a basket? That's in a basket. Okay, I don't want to take everything out, but it appears that it's just a bunch, in this bag at least, just a bunch of pre-made baskets, and some of them are bigger. Let me take out a bigger one. Ooh, that's a fun one. Little off-brand Barbie with some candy. Yeah, these are cute. I don't have tons of room. You guys saw the tour, but I'm going to keep these probably in the shed. We'll see with the candy. We'll see. All right, next bag. A little bit different. It looks like we have some really cute stuffed animals. A little duck with some long legs there, actually. Cute rainbow lamb. These are sweet. A little sheep. Let's keep checking. This says it's decor. I'm thinking people hang that on the door, but I will give that away as well. We got a bunch of these solar dancers. Let's see, more of the rabbit heads. A bunch of eggs. I have a bunch of eggs as well, and it looks like we have some baskets. Let me see what this is. Sorry, guys. Oh, look how cute those are. They're like little pom-poms. So cute. I want to see this rabbit. Can you guys see anything? No. Okay, well, we're a little bit tangled, but it looks like a rabbit in a basket. Sorry for that loud noise. Bear with me a second here. Okay. Oh, it's like a little bunny foot stuck in a basket. That's a little bit silly. Cute, though. And then we have some empty baskets over here. Again, I'm not going to really worry about taking everything out, but you guys get the gist. And I think there's some Easter grass in the bottom of the bag as well. I got a little peek at. All right, we're going to end that there. I don't want to dig too much. I'm just going to put everything back in these bags for right now until I get myself situated. I'm still just here. Nothing new. I did put like 2 things up. I uncovered the couches. They are, I mean, structurally they're in really nice condition, I think. But they just have a few marks on them, as you can see. I'm not keeping these regardless. But they're not too bad. So somebody's definitely going to want these. I probably won't even sell them. I'll just give them away for free because I just want everything out. And then, yes, this is a lift chair. Somebody mentioned that in my little tour. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.